Most of us spend hours sitting at desks, looking at our phones, or slouching on the couch. This can lead to poor posture, back pain, and even headaches. But don't worry. Today, we'll show you some easy exercises to help you stand taller and feel better. Exercise 1. Shoulder rolls. First, let's loosen up those shoulders. Sit or stand with your back straight. Slowly roll your shoulders up, back, and down in a circular motion. Do this 10 times. Then reverse the direction. This simple movement releases tension and helps open up your chest, which is key to improving your posture. Exercise 2. Chin tucks. Next, we'll work on aligning your neck. Sit or stand upright. Gently tuck your chin toward your chest, as if making a double chin. Hold for 5 seconds and then release. Repeat this 10 times. This exercise strengthens the muscles in your neck and helps prevent tech neck, which often happens from looking at screens too much. Text on screen. Tip: keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid tilting your head forward. Exercise 3. Wall angels. Now it's time to engage your upper back. Stand with your back against a wall. Feet a few inches away from it. Press your lower back into the wall and raise your arms like a goalpost. Slowly move your arms up and down like you're making a snow angel. Do this for 10 repetitions. Wall angels strengthen the muscles between your shoulder blades and help correct rounded shoulders. Exercise 4. Cat-cow stretch. Let's stretch your spine for better flexibility. Start on all fours. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale and arch your back, lifting your head in tailbone cow pose. Exhale and round your back, tucking your chin in pelvis cat pose. Repeat this 10 times, flowing with your breath. This stretch increases spinal mobility and helps relieve tension in the back. Exercise 5. Plank hold. Now let's strengthen your core, which is essential for good posture. Start in a forearm plank position, elbows under shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Gradually increase the hold time as you get stronger. Planks build core strength, which supports your spine and helps you maintain a better posture throughout the day. Exercise 6. Chest opener stretch. Finally, let's stretch your chest to counteract all that forward hunching. Stand tall and clasp your hands behind your back. Straighten your arms and gently pull your hands away from your back. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This stretch opens up your chest and shoulders, making it easier to stand tall and breathe deeply. Consistent practice will improve your posture and boost your confidence. Try these exercises daily.